Oh, sorry, hey, look. Now, as you can see, I'm out of hospital, at home, 5 weeks in hospital, week at home, absolutely cheesed off, bored stiff out of my mind. Do you want a coffee? Yeah, go on, hurry up then.
Well, I see you started the rally.
Yeah.
That's it, isn't it? 6 weeks.
Come on, just
6 weeks and you don't want me anymore. Why? I've done you a Stavros
You
coffee.
can still get them on his website.
You can.
Yeah.
You can. They don't come with a coffee, you know, mind you.
No,
So they might spill all in the box and deliver.
You got to give an haircut. Yeah, I was like,
cut in?
yeah, you've cut it all off.
Yeah, I'll give you one of my haircuts.
Yeah, that for yeah, number naught.
Yeah, number naught all over.
Yeah,
Lovely.
yeah.
Yeah. Right. How are you then? How are you?
Well, I'm all right, really. I think it was, you know, it was serious.
Well, you lost your...
Nearly lost me.
Yeah, didn't you?
Yeah, so happy about that. Could you imagine? But all right if it's a breaking leg, but not a fall leg. But it's fucking everything up, isn't it? We haven't filmed well 6 weeks.
Well, we ain't filmed for a while. We ain't done anything on the car or the bikes for a while.
No.
There's no likelihood of you even getting behind the wheel and doing any racing in the Mini.
No.
Now, admittedly, it's given us a bit more time to put it right. We're putting it right.
Well, the thing was, we're going to be using someone else's car, weren't we? But it weren't really an issue. But the thing is, it'd be nice to use the car we're building. So if anyone happens to help us out a little bit, sponsorship last 2 rounds, we've probably got enough to do it. But
yeah, and then just run it for the last, just sort of shake it down a bit, really, isn't it?
Really,
and then hopefully for doing season 24.
If I do fantastically well, we'll do 24. If not, I'll sell it.
Yeah, but as I say, gives us a bit more time to do a few bits.
Yeah, well, it gives me a chance to get the wave off, and we've got the sim racing thing we get set up. So
Yeah.
I've made a start on it, doing bits and pieces.
And then we've got the bikes to do as well.
Right,
So, and then in between all that,
Yeah, we've got the classic Mini as well with the 1400 turbo special. I don't think anyone else has done before, so hopefully that'll fit in there.
yeah, and then here around all
If it
that.
don't fit in there, I'm going to make it a bike engine, rear-wheel drive bike engine. If that engine doesn't fit in there. But I'm hoping it will fit in there because I'm going to put an ERA body kit on it and make it 1400 turbo, so it's like an homage to the old ERA.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah.
If not, you're going to stick a bike engine in it.
Yeah.
And then what?
Make it rear-wheel drive.
And then what?
What do you mean?
And then what? What do with it? What? Race it? Hill climb it?
No, it'll be a road car. Cause it's,
Okay.
yeah, because I thought it was scraps, but it's not. It turns out it's sawn. And I've looked up the VIN number on it, and I think it's a 1990. I can't think which one it was now, but it's a 1990 Mini anyway. There was a name for it, but I can't remember what that was.
Oh, I should cut the options for that then.
Yeah.
Right. And then outside of all of that, we have the Hearts Auto Show car down at St Albans.
Yeah, Steve
We're going to go down on there. Steve Parrish is opening it.
Yeah.
We've got Saffron Walden Car Show, which we're going to try and catch again this year.
Yeah.
We'll be down at Brands Action a couple of weeks' time.
Yeah.
So we can get in front of Lydia Walmsley.
Yeah, she
a bit of a early interview for the season.
He did very well this last weekend. First round, she fell fourth at one point. She was hoping it was going to rain. I think everyone was hoping it's going to rain. It didn't.
Well, if it had rained, because she was on all right.
They've all done it because I've done it.
The sun came out.
The P out, and it's just luck of the draw. I mean, the last race of the touring cars, Tom Chilton guessed right, and of course he ended up winning it. It's all, it's all luck of the draw.
Yeah, but the sun came out, didn't it? And time dried up, and she went backwards a little bit.
That's, I thought it was because the safety car came out, because sometimes you drop off when the safety car comes out, because obviously you're push, and then you sort of get a respite, don't you, when that comes out? You're not...
Lose the timing and all that sort of
thing. Yeah, it's all rhythm, isn't it? Yeah.
Bradley Gravitt, we'll try and get in front of him.
Yeah, see,
because he's in the Jason Club.
Had a DNF in the first race on Saturday, and then we've got Max Coates, the new Porsche Championship.
Yeah, so he's gone from the JCW and he's to the Porsches.
I'm going to be a bit controversial here. I wish they hadn't put another Porsche Championship in there. I wish they'd have put a trophy minis in, so both classes of minis were racing at the touring cars. Because the Porsche should be always.
So you think it could be a bit controversial just because you've got a bad leg?
I say what I like.
You'll play us in the old strings.
Not survived. I say what I like now.
Trade on the old harp strings.
Yeah.
I don't know. Right. Right, and then hopefully we'll get back in the workshop.
Yeah, get cracking with it, get it finished. And then
get a load
of testing and get do some track days around. We can film that and Takes a pick out of Thompson.
Yeah, so really, it's just a bit of a catch-up, this video, because we hadn't put anything out for cinema. It's just a bit of an update.
Getting to finish off an old wheel.
We had the steering wheel, the sim stuff and everything, so we're film putting all that together, wouldn't we? Yeah, so that's about it, really, then.
Well, I ain't got a van at the moment. I was going to get a racing seat and put it on there, but I can't get up to the workshop because they've written your van off because I had a fire in the back of the van. They've written it off. It weren't much of a fire, but they're still written it off. And you couldn't make it out, could you? You couldn't make it out. Then someone broke the workshop door and it fell on top of them.
I didn't break the workshop door. I went to the workshop to just check things out, make sure everything was all right, because no, didn't have a fire. You told me to go up there.
Yeah, and I left the reliance on for 7 days, didn't I?
Yeah. So, I get instructions, yeah, you got to lift the handle, put a bit of weight on the door, turn the key, opens up the tree. Opens up the tree, yeah. It did open up the tree, and when it sheared off all 3 inches, that sent me down in the stingers. I couldn't believe it. There's me looking up where the sky was stinging nettles all around.
Everyone's got a door you can have. I could do with another door, really. It'll be a second. There's an outside door. There is a security door on the inside of it, actually.
Laid an absolute ton. Not with fine, it did.
Yeah.
Not with fine. So there's you in hospital. Where's you laid face up and stings from a cough? You got a van burnt out and the security's gone on the bloody workshop. Oh, dear.
No, it's just all bad enough. I just want to get back cranking at it.
I don't know. Right, well.
Anyway, what the hell are they on your feet? I've noticed.
These?
You've been working for this week, I think.
I had a dog just now. I did Mac Wheel, please.
Pretty heck. What are you, some sort of athlete or something? You've been trying it for the marathon or something? Or
perfect, didn't they?